A family is suing Hingham Public Schools for the way they punished their son for using AI. Hingham Public School leaders tell us they cannot comment on this case pending litigation, but the student's family says they plan on taking them to court next week.
He's been accused of cheating, and it wasn't cheating. There was no rule in the handbook against AI.
Jennifer Harris says she's heartbroken for her son for the discipline he has faced for using AI on a school project. She says when her son was a junior at Hingham High last year, he and another student used AI as a guide to take notes and outline for an AP US history class. Harris says school leaders called this plagiarism.
On that semester, he got a C+ by 1 point. So our argument to the school was, well, could you fail him with a 59 instead of a 53 so he can have a B-? Because that's, he's applying to top tier schools. He's applying to Stanford, he's applying to MIT. They see a C and it's going in the trash.
Harris says this isn't just about changing her son's grade. The mark on his record is affecting his college applications, and it prevented him from getting into the National Honor Society.
They said, but for this incident, he would have gotten in. It was a character issue. They don't think he has good character.
Because of all the repercussions, the Harris family is now suing Hingham Public School leaders for violating their son's civil rights to due process.
I think it's a much larger issue than public education is ready to handle yet, because it's still emerging.
The family's attorney says the big issue here is that Hingham schools didn't have a policy on the use of artificial intelligence in their handbook.
Maybe we could use this as an opportunity to do something different, which is to educate our students to embrace AI. It's a technology that they will ultimately need to be familiar with and to learn how to use properly.
Harris hopes this lawsuit not only helps her son, but also other students in the future. She says Hingham Schools has already added AI to its handbook this school year.
How do you know if you're crossing a line if the line isn't drawn?
I reached out to state leaders about this case, and they tell me DESE doesn't regulate AI for school districts at this point, but they do have a task force focused on AI use in education. In Hingham, I'm Lisa Pappas for your local station, Boston 25 News.